Today I will be talking about your digestive system. The function of the digestive system is to break down the food we eat into smaller chunks so the body can use them to build and nourish cells. I will now briefly describe the roles of the following organs. The stomach, storing and digesting food. The small intestine. It takes the food from your stomach and continues to digest it as it travels through the body. The large intestine. The large intestine continues the process of digestion. It receives waste, it absorbs fluids, and excretes feces. The pancreas. The pancreas is an important component of the digestive system. It manufactures and secretes digestive enzymes such as amylase. The liver. The liver has many roles such as converting toxic products into non-toxic products. The liver participates in metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. It synthesizes plasma proteins. These are just some examples. The gallbladder. The gallbladder acts as a storage tank for bile. The bile is made in the liver by liver cells and is sent through tiny ducts. I will now trace the path of food through the digestive tract from the mouth to the anus. Mouth into the pharynx, through the esophagus, into the stomach, through the small intestine, into the large intestine, and out the anus. For each of the amylase is created in the pancreas and digests starch. Trypsin is also created in the pancreas and digests protein. Sucrose is created in the small intestine and digests sucrose. The pH of the stomach is 1 to 5. The pH of the small intestine is about 8. Which organ produces juices that neutralize acetyl as it leaves the stomach? Pancreas. I will now briefly describe the structure and function of the villi. The villi is a finger-like projection that wall the lines of the small intestine. The surface area of the small intestine is the size of a tennis court. I will now explain how the presence of the villi in the small intestine offers an advantage compared to a flat surface. The villi provides a bigger surface area for food. Vitamins are organic molecules that are needed for good health. I will now name a food rich in each of the following vitamins and identify the function of the vitamin. Vitamin C's food source is fresh vegetables. The function of vitamin C is an antioxidant vitamin needed for the formation of collagen. Vitamin D's food source is milk. Vitamin D promotes absorption and use of calcium. Vitamin K's food source is spinach, kale, or cabbage. Vitamin K is necessary for normal blood clotting and synthesis of protein. I have chosen one disease of the digestive system. I have chosen cirrhosis. The causes of cirrhosis are poison, infections, and heart disease. The symptoms of cirrhosis are the death of liver cells, tiredness, weakness, nausea, loss of appetite. Cirrhosis affects the digestive system with blood flow difficulty, high blood pressure, risk of internal bleeding, increase of toxins in the blood, and memory loss. The condition is treated with reduce of your sodium intake, eating a more nutritious diet, avoiding all alcohols, and taking various medications. My sources are Answers.com, Google Pictures, eHow.com, HealthHowStuffWorks.com, Ask.com, NutriStrategy.com, eMedicineHealth.com, and National Digestive Disease Information Clearinghouse.com, or NDDS. And that's the digestive system.